Yo guys, it's Thrifting Ilya back with a new vlog. Yo, we got the Meta glasses finally. It's gonna be so sick. It's gonna be a different perspective. I'm not doing this shit anymore. You guys are gonna see first point of view. And I'm very excited about that. I tested these out already and they're very nice. So yeah, let's go fucking find some crazy shit today. I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, let's go. What the fuck? First thing in the morning. Usually there's nothing on Mondays, but we're gonna check anyways. There's nothing new on the floor. I can just tell by looking at the tags. I'm gonna still look through a bit, but I know there's nothing. Toronto the Leafs jersey. $18 for a kid's jersey is fucked. Yeah, no thank you. What the fuck is this? That is so ugly. I don't know. This doesn't look real. Oh yes. Is this like a 90s one? Yeah, we'll pick this one up maybe. We'll see. Some Solomons. Ooh, these are cooked and there's no insoles. No thanks. Oh wow, these are fucking ugly. Ew. Get the fuck out of here with those. I never find shoes anymore. It's either there's no shoes or they're always stupidly expensive. Oh, bro, what are you doing? What? I fucking jinxed myself so hard there. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? These are like the most fake shoes in the world. We'll see though. We'll check. They're 30 bucks. Let's see. Constant Gildan blanks. That's actually fucked. Gildan. Jesus Christ. Sorry. Are you moving? Oh, sorry. I just want to grab these ones. Sorry. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bro, I didn't see these either. Are you kidding me? These are at the bottom of the bin. There's these and the black hats in one bin, bro. That's actually fucking insane. Dougie. Nothing. Oh, OVO. That's nice. We'll grab that as well. Okay, 2 pieces. Not bad. I'm gonna check out that dog sweater because I really like that. I'm probably thinking this is like 80s or 90s. It's that YKK tag. It's not the lightning tag. If it was lightning, it would have been 50s, but it's huge. Low key, it's fucking ginormous. Like a 3XL. I don't know who the fuck would wear this, but I might get it. I don't know. The OVO as well. Clean. 13 bucks. Not bad. I'll flip these for 40 all day. Super sick. That's still on there. Usually these always fucking come off, but it's on there. Lovely. We're gonna grab this one as well. NFL. Oh shit. This Bruins jersey is hard. Lukic. 30 bucks though. Let's do. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. Thanks. Okay, I just found this Nike hat from the 90s. Made in USA, extra large. It's fucking ugly as fuck. But this 90s Roots purse is fucking beautiful. Fade on it is crazy. 10 bucks too. I don't know, I might get this one just because I think this is fucking stunning. Oh shit. Bro, this Roots jacket is so nice. Made in Canada for $50. Fuck, I have to leave it. That was such a nice jacket. Alright guys, really fucking good day. Black hats ended up being fake, which sucks, but that's okay. Comme des Garçons, the Bruins jersey, bunch of really cool shit. But yeah, I'll see you guys for day 2. Bye! Alright guys, day 2. Let's get this going. I think I forgot my mic in my bag, but it should sound okay. Doesn't matter. Let's go have a good day. We have the Meta glasses again. I'm not wearing them right now, but I'll wear them when I get to the thrift store. Let's go see what happens. Yo. Day 2, let's go. fuck is that? Hello? 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 I like these. I've been finding so many Italy jerseys recently. I saw it from the sleeve. Tasty. I don't know if these are real. I'm not good with Puma jerseys. They look fine though. This one's good. This one's real. Regardless of it, I'm getting both of them. These are fucking dope. Exco? Yo, these are fucking dope. Oh, they're my size too. These are hard. I'm gonna grab these. These are sick. Nice Y2K pair of Excos. Yes, please.
Morning, buddy. How are you?
It's real. First find, Durant. Nice. Oh my. Hello? Sorry? These aren't like crazy 90s ones, but what the fuck? I'll take these all day. What the hell? Okay, sick. Thanks. Thanks a lot, actually. New rack right here. Let me just peep at it real quick. See if there's anything else on here. Okay, I like that. I like that. Green Bay Packers. I like that. Damn, they're loading up this morning, bro. I've never seen this many clothes in my fucking hand. First thing in the morning at Salvation Army. Oh, this Lacoste piece is super cute. Designed in France. Damn, I actually like this one a lot. I'm gonna grab it. Bro, this is so dope. Holy fuck. Yo, what's going on today? Holy shit. Okay, bro, what are you doing? Sick. Alright, guys, let's go to the fucking finds, bro. We got this crazy Harley Davidson long sleeve. This is a sick design. Holy fuck. Then this 2006 Led Zeppelin shirt on that art mode, bro. Crazy. Then this 2004. Okay. Then this 1998 Green Bay Packers. 1998 right there. Fire. This Lacoste sweater. Beautiful. It's a bit stained right there. You can get that out probably. This one's lovely. It's a bit distressed though. Ooh. It's very distressed. It's very dirty. Damn. I gotta reconsider this one actually. We'll see. And then there's Kevin Durant jersey, which is real. Nice. Bro, what the fuck? Crazy way to start the morning. Who's this? Bosa? Damn. That's cooked. I would love that, but it's fucking cooked. Ooh. 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 Okay. They're fucking priced stupidly high, but okay. Thank you. Egg. Oh, it's literally a pool. Just found this Marcelo Burlon shirt. This one's crazy. Sign on these are fucking dope. Oh, it's a bit stained though. Looks real. $5, not bad. I'm gonna get it probably. Gotta just clean it because it's all stained right here. My fucking Red Bull spilled all in my bag. Oh, it's literally a pool. Oh god. Are you kidding me? What the fuck, dude? I hope none of my camera equipment's fucked. Ew. Fuck, man. Bro, I'm so cheesed my mic got fucked. I'm trying it, it wasn't turning on. One of them, like the the receiver turns on, but the mic itself doesn't turn on. So I'm trying to fix that. I might throw it in rice, but regardless of it, it was a good day. It was all right. It wasn't too crazy. The morning was crazy, but then it got really fucking slow. I was standing around all day, but just wasn't hitting that crazy after the morning. So I'll see you guys for day 3. Bye. All right, guys, day 3. Happy fucking New Year. It's the first day of the new year. We're gonna go into the thrift. We're gonna find some bangers. Let's go see what happens today. Got the Meta glasses, obviously. You guys have been seeing the footage over the past couple days. Let's go. I think it's day 3 or 4. I'm not sure. If it's day 4, then... I hate these Elvis shirts. I hate shirts that are on the rocks tags. Like, if this was like a sick 90s one, I'd be like super happy with it. But they're all just fucking reprints. No thanks. Wait, is this Moose Knuckle? Oh my god, it is. Oh, what? Moose Knuckle? And it's real? Oh, it has one of the thing ones. Wait, let me try this. Oh. Oh. Yo, that's fucking so nice. Very nice, bro. What the fuck? I want to 100% pick this up. This is fucking dope as hell. 25 bucks. The jacket probably goes for a bit. Like, brand is probably a couple $100. Super tasty. First find of 2025. A Moose Knuckle jacket. Nice. It's fake. That's definitely fake. Fake? Yeah. It's a weird color, but fire. Kid section. Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo. The neck. This Loki looks like a men's size. How much is it? $6. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna get it for $6. Buffalo Sabres jersey, lovely. Oh, we love camo. Yeah, definitely picking these up. Oh, is there more? No, shitty camo, not good camo. This one's sick. Nice. Kappa. Diesel. Honestly, I don't fuck with Diesel, but this is hard. That someone will definitely pick this up. This is fucking dope. It's clean too. Nice. Babe. It's a dope shirt. Love that one. It's a woman's shirt, but it's still fucking dope. I honestly don't know what's real or not with vape anymore, but I'm gonna get this one. This one's super sick. Baby Lisa, fire. Nice. Oh, this is so dope. It's a hard piece. I'm definitely getting this. So hard. Sick. Alright guys, day 3 was a success. So my mics have been so fucking weird. Like, I cannot turn this thing on. Usually when I press this, it turns on, but it just shows how much it's charging. So I gotta get my mic situation figured out. I'm gonna just deal with whatever quality is going on here, but I need a mic for my videos, so that's kind of fucking shit. But regardless, the day was great. We'll go for day 4. Let's see what happens then. First day of the year, can't complain. Let's go for day 4. Bye. All right guys, day 4. Update on my mic. It's not working. The receiver's all fucked up, so I contacted the Rode support line and they're sending me a new receiver, so that's amazing. But yeah, let's go have a good day 4. It's nice weather today. It was snowing. It's like on and off snowing, but
Doesn't really matter. Let's go see what happens.
Good luck. Alright, day 4. Let's get this show on the road. Last day of the week. Might come tomorrow, but I don't know. Card. Nice. Good size. $7. Yeah. Nice fade on them too. Not a crazy fade, but a decent one. Nice. Nice little South Pole. Fuck yeah. Okay. Okay. This is fucking crazy. Bro, this is like 80s. Fuck yeah. Up to bangers, bro. So dope. Alpha Industry. Fire. Okay. I love Alpha Industry jackets. They're so fucking sick. This one's plain. Nice. It's a cool jacket. It's nothing crazy, but we like it. Oh yeah, this is clean. Nice little essentials in it. Fire. Oh, another one? Oh, we got the other one yesterday. Bro. Yo, this one's fire. Bro, 2 more crazy pieces. I literally got the gray one of this one yesterday. That's so funny. Fucking dope. Love these. Bro, what the fuck are these? Bro, what are these? These are fucking ridiculous. They never made these. What a silly fucking pair of shoes. Bro, great start to the morning. Fucking dope. Bro, we just found another try. Yo, finally, $6. Bro, yes please. Bro, I'm so happy. I collect these. I only have one. I've only thrifted one before, but getting a second one is so fucking sick. This is dope as fuck. Bro, this is the second one I found this week. Oh, it's one of these days. Givenchy. Oh wait, I didn't check this. This was so low. Oh my god, I passed over this. Oh god. It's a designer day, guys. Cook. Givenchy. Cook. Low. Cook. Nice. Oh. Yeah. This is fucking sick. Oh yeah. Bro, this is clean as fuck. Let's go. Oh, hello. Another Alpha Industry jacket for today? Okay. Thank you very much. Oh no, bro, what? This isn't 2017, bro. Get out of here. Oh, fuck, I'm put these in my cart. That's so funny. Alright. Oh, this is making me fucking laugh. It's so funny. This one is crazy though. I like this one. Nice.
Bro, what a fucking day. Great way to end off the week in the video. It's probably gonna be a long video. All this POV stuff, it's not short. If you guys watch through to the end, I actually fucking love you. If you guys actually have the patience to sit down, watch me, enjoy my content, I fucking love you. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you for the next vlog. Bye.